You can balance the camera on a shoebox and it works. It does. Hey everyone, it's Amy and Abida.
Hi.
So this evening we are going to a Christmas party, so we thought it might be fun to do a sit down, get ready, not just with me, but with us.
Because we do everything together.
Everything together. So firstly, I want to apologize for the crazy light situation. I'm doing the best with what I have. And also apologies for just the quality probably of this video, because my camera is dead. It's not working.
And Canon's not being very helpful in fixing it.
This is a rant for another day. Canon, help me. My camera is broken and you won't fix it. But I'm not getting into that. We're just gonna do our makeup, get ready. So I'm gonna take a second to ask you why you poured our gin into mugs. we have like glasses.
Not in the cupboard. They're right in your room.
It's because I've stolen all the glasses and hidden them in my room. They're right here. So are you ready for the magic trick that is me putting my foundation on? Because I am the palest person in the world right now, and I get paler every day. So I want to have the coverage of my Estee Lauder foundation, but the color of this Ghost foundation.
Why don't you just put the Ghost on?
It's not enough. I want to feel fancy. It's Christmas. It's a Christmas party. I need to have full coverage.
It's very blurry. Canon, help her.
Help me. Why are you ignoring all my emails and phone calls? And when I actually turn up in person and try and talk to you.
Why do you make her like this?
I have no idea what to expect from this party. So background information on this party. It's a navy Christmas party because we will literally go anywhere. Because we obviously went to the Marine Ball not so long ago. I did that whole get ready with me video. Now we're going to the Navy party. Like, there's not a party in Bahrain that we won't go to. So the Navy Christmas party that we're going to is in the same place as the Marine Ball.
Yeah, but it's so far.
It's so far away from where we live. And also at the Marine Ball, it was 16 BD for a Jack and Diet Coke, which is the equivalent of £32. I could get an entire bottle of Jack Daniels for £32.
You get two! You get two bottles!
I mean, that's just insane.
The foundation, just fine.
Yeah, so this whole thing came about because our BFF Ben is in the Navy, and he was like, hey, no, I don't think he actually invited us.
No, he did, I
think I invited us.
No, Amy yelled at him for not inviting us to the Navy Ball, and then he was like, well, you were going to the Marine Ball, so you know you wanted to go to the Navy Ball.
And I was like, Ben, you know that we want to go everywhere.
And he's like, I have a Christmas party, let me take you to my Christmas party. So technically he did invite after.
Out of fear because I was shouting. Because I was like, how dare you not take us to the Navy Ball. So that's how that came about. If you're just wondering like how are you going to all these parties, it's just because all our friends are in the military. Literally. Could you name a person we know who's not in the military?
Magician.
Is he our friend?
No.
But the sucky thing about this party, even though like I'm happy to go, it's exciting, we get to dress up and be fancy, it's on a Wednesday. What even is that? Like, people gotta get up at 5 for work tomorrow.
Well, no one going to this party other than us has to go to work tomorrow.
It feels like no one other than me ever has to go to work. I come home and people are always doing fun things and like texting me and being like, we're all at lunch, and I'm like, why am I the only person who ever goes to work?
Addison never messaged me back if there's vegetarian options.
If I get to this party and there's no food for me to eat, I'm gonna be so upset and hungry.
We'll order Talibat to the party.
I feel like he would have texted us and been like, what kind of do you want? Do you want like chicken or
No,
beef?
but that didn't matter because when we got there, they asked us 3 separate times, what are you eating?
And they still fed me shrimp and bacon. I was said 3 times vegetarian. I had a card. They gave me a card and they still fed me shrimp and bacon. And if anyone wants to know, it turns out I'm allergic to shrimp and I was violently ill. And my fingers were swollen for 2 days.
This time, before you eat anything, it should look different than what I'm eating.
Yeah. I mean, I've learned my lesson on, like, don't just assume that because you've asked for vegetarian food that it will actually be vegetarian.
Asked about 5 times. It's the only brush I own. She judges me for that.
I think I'm gonna branch out of my eyeshadow box today and do something different to the same eyeshadow look that I do for every event that's ever happened. This obviously isn't gonna be the most informative makeup video of life because we're just talking about complete rubbish the whole time. But it's like a bonding sesh because I feel like people always bond the most when they're like getting ready to go somewhere.
Because we're not close enough.
I mean, not for us, for us. We obviously don't need to bond anymore. Like, we should bond less, if anything, because we literally spend every day together.
Can I use your bottom eyeliner?
You can, but you need to sharpen it or you'll poke your eye out. What have you done? How did this happen? Camera just completely cut out there. Don't know why or how long ago. This is what I mean when I'm like, my camera is broken. It's broken. And I mean, it's still under warranty, but Canon will not fix it or replace it. It's like, it's 10 months old. This was an expensive camera. Canon not being kind to me.
Oh, the light is really bad.
Yeah, welcome to my life. Definitely went a little bit darker with my eyeshadow today. Put on a matte black and blended it out like my life depended on it, so it still looks really brown, but progress. We are making baby steps away from my favorite eye look. I'm having some real serious foundation issues right now. Like, I haven't even finished applying my makeup and my foundation is already breaking up in the weirdest way I've ever seen in my life. Right, I need to go and do like, I need to do something, I don't know. Something to my eyes, eyeliner, mascara, all the things that are really hard for me, I'm gonna do in the other room.
Because the lighting in here is not good.
The lighting's not good, the mirror's not good. I'm too stressed about it. So it's already dark, so we get to put these yellow lights on and look like the cast from The Simpsons. Cool. So I apologize because especially this last week with Vlogmas, like, I'm glad that I've put up vlogs because you guys seem to enjoy them, but I feel like I wanted to put up some different stuff. Filming has been a nightmare between my camera and work and everything, so we're making the best of what we have and I hope that that's okay. Vlogmas is hard. Filming every day for 24 days is a challenge, especially when nothing works, but we're rolling with it. So getting ready has come to a complete standstill, even though we need to leave in 10 minutes. But we're both ready. But we need to get like dressed. Okay, I am gonna get up right now and put my dress on.
Are you?
Yeah.
I'm just scared they're gonna be late and I'm gonna be sitting here in my dress and spill on it.
Maybe I'll put my jewelry on, put my stuff in my bag.
Yeah, like have everything ready.
But if we get dressed, we can take pictures.
Oh, let's do that.
Yeah, so let's do it. Okay. It's been decided. It's for the gram. Okay? We are ready. There you go.
That.
Nice. YouTube isn't this way.
YouTube is this way?
It's this way.
Wait, there we go. Now do your dance.
Okay, so we're gonna go and get some pictures taken in the last, minus 5 minutes that we have left because everyone else is late apparently, thank goodness. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm sorry about the quality of the audio in this. I can't even imagine because every day my camera is getting worse and worse. I'm trying my best to fix it and it's not like I have a spare £500 to go out and buy a new one tomorrow. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with us. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to let me know. Go ahead and subscribe and all that good stuff. I hope you guys come back tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much and I will see you all soon. Bye.